I wanted to take a look at this. This is a package from Telstra. The little points that you get. I mean, after 2 decades of being a loyal customer, all I could afford was this from the points. So, take from that what you will. The first thing we notice, no beans, no paper, nothing inside the box to stop it moving around, so that's interesting. Second thing you'll notice is there's no label, so you can't see all the saucy details. Let's get this open. Try not to stab anything on the inside. It is a cygnet. Box isn't damaged, which is good, but they've got to put some crumpled up paper or something. ChargeUp ProSeries 25K, so I'm guessing that that's 25,000 milliamp hour. Just hazarding a guess there. Didn't actually say many details on the listing on the Telstra site, but anyway. Charge laptop, so that's interesting. Dual USB-C and an A port. Oh, empowering. Oh, get that buzzword in there. I feel empowered looking at this box. 118 watt total power. Interesting. Oh, this okay. Delivering a colossal 118 watt total power output across 3 USB ports. This pro-grade power bank affords you the luxury to work, live and play from anywhere. Charge the USB-C laptops like the Mac Pro, as well as tablets, phones, earbuds, headphones, portable gaming devices from popular brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, Nintendo, and more. Oh. So if this thing shorts out, that's everything gone. Woohoo! That's dangerous, isn't it? Lovely. Anything important here? Okay, we got USB-C input. It can take up to 20 volt input. So it can charge at 65 watt. Interesting. Okay. Device complies. Cygnet, eco-friendly, soy ink. Oh, should I be touching this? I'm going to be losing testosterone just touching this box, I think. Okay, this side, 100 watt, USB-C A, LED display, 2-year warranty. 2-year warranty. Interesting. Okay. Great. Well, let's get this open. I can see a couple of different things here. There's one at the bottom too. Might just open up the bottom, hey? Everyone likes a little rear entry. Oh, oh, okay. There's a little butt flap out the bottom there. I can see a cable. Oh, nope, cable's gone now. There it is. We'll put that down for a second. Try and get this cable out. That's easier. What have we got? Little tiny booklet. And nothing else. It's packaged quite well. Quite safe in that box, isn't it? Got protection each side. Little air gap. Beautiful. Make sure that's in shot. How to make warranty claim. Yeah. Cygnett 25 amp hour, hey? A, B, C's and D's. There you go. It's long enough to take a little screenshot there for you. Those two. And that one. Beautiful. What do we got? We've got a C2C charger. So I may have to get out a little C charger so you can see that. Righto. We have a C charger. And we have a power bank. Got some little juicy details here. Why is it not focusing? Here we go. There we go. We've got one button. And literally just the two C ports and an A. See if we can get the... you can't quite see the writing there because of the reflection. What does that one say? Well, C1. Okay. So this must be the high-powered C port. And that's it. And it's that same type of plastic. It's smooth, but it feels textured in some way. But it's not soft. It does grip the table a small amount. Get some cardboard little fragments, little bits of sposs, small particles of okay, well that's it. Apparently it has a digital display. Here we go, 82%. Gee, they shipped it at 82%. Holding it on does weird stuff. And once again, weird stuff. Okay. So usually these can just charge whichever port, doesn't really matter. So we'll put that in. Does a full display test there and then flashing. PD. So what does PD mean? Let's just have a quick look. The high combined output from your wall charger plus cable combination, the faster your power bank will charge. Okay. Do not charge under pillows. Okay, well, whatever the PV means, take your guesses. Okay, well, that's it. It charges. Awesome. That's a good feature. Now, I have these from a previous video, which I've been using in my tiny house build. These are the highest current draw that I know I have. If you watch the other video, you can see me test those with the other power banks. So we'll get them just slightly on shot. And I don't have... Yes, I do. One moment, please. I was just saying that I may not have a way of plugging both these in at the same time, but I do. This is a handy little thing, so we'll plug that in there. We'll plug one of these in there, and the other one can go in there. And of course it's upside down. Of course. Okay, they're both on. We'll just go up in power. I think that's full. And it runs them quite fine. It's not turning off. It's running both the lights on full power. Yeah, the other power banks really didn't like that. I'll demonstrate. So here's my other power banks. And I can demonstrate how these ones really don't like the high draw of these LEDs. You'll notice it draws the battery down just from the medium. And as we go up, yeah, just can't deliver enough power to power those. And the same with this one. Turns on automatically. We'll have a look at the battery wattage. Oh, that's gone to full. Well, this power bank didn't run it last time. It cut out. So maybe it only works when the battery's absolutely chockers full. I'm surprised by that, because I tried that several times. And they did not run off this one. That's surprising. Well, regardless, it still works. So obviously a little more handy if you have a little adapter like this, just to convert one of those C ports to something a little more useful. Because not everyone has adopted C to C charging. A lot of my cables that I use for the phone, these are magnetic cables, they're quite good. They're quite good because this cable, this one cable, I can just go like that, charge that one, I can charge that there. I can plug in my phone, which I'm recording on. I can get my other phone, plug it on there. I can even get the older phone and plug it in here. So this one's a USB, micro USB. This one's a C. The one I'm recording on is a C. All you do is get your little pluggy bits, and they stay in there. And everything's magnetic, so if you bump it, it doesn't break anything. Yeah, quite a safe thing. And it does keep a lot of dust out of the port as well. So, that's the Cygnett ChargeUp ProSeries 25K. Oof. Feels about 25K worth. It's definitely a little hefty unit. And assuming the thickness of this and the roundness of this, it is probably 18650s. But it looks like a bit of a destruction job opening that up. Very tight tolerances in here. Yeah, definitely don't want to break it, so we're not opening this one up. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. So, bonus extra footage. Just wanted to compare the size with some 18650s. And you can see it's probably not long, it's not long enough to have three rows. 2 would be fine. And it does actually fit 4 across. You can see that would just fit in there. So I'm guessing that there's 8 cells. Bang, bang, bang. In this direction. You can see that 18650 would definitely fit in there. So we'll just have a look here. 25,000 apparently milliamp hour. Divide that by 8 cells. 3125. So, I mean, these are the highest powered cells I've sort of been able to find online easily and cheaply. So it's not out of the realms of possibility. They could be 3.2 amp hour cells. Yeah. So I'm guessing that's what's inside there. 8 of those. And it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, so I'm guessing that's that. So there you go. Just a little bonus footage for you. Have a good day.